Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Naughty, and today I am going to be doing something with this fur ball on my head. It has been a while since I've done my hair. I've actually been slacking when it comes to me and my hair. Lately I've been wearing a lot of headband wigs and I haven't really been giving my hair enough care, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it up so that I don't have to do much with it. I'm going to start this style out by parting my hair into two sections in the front and one whole section in the back. Honestly, you guys, I'm not really focused on being neat when it comes to parting the back side of my hair. I'm just parting. When I get to the front, that's when I'm going to be more focused on a cleaner part. The back of my hair is going to be covered up, so I'm not really focused on the clean lines. As you guys can tell, this back section is completely crooked, and that's how it's going to stay. Because I have turned into a lazy natural, the back of my hair is going to be crocheted instead of me individually box braiding my hair. For all of the hair that I left out in the back, I'm just going to go through and part sections into them to make box braids. And I'm just going to do that on the outer layer of my hair. I'm only doing this braiding pattern just in case I want to wear my hair up into a ponytail. This is what everything looks like now that I'm done. All of the ends that were hanging out, I tucked them into my braid. The crochet braids that I'll be using was sent to me by Union Beauty. It comes in the color 1B and the length is 30 inches. There are 8 packs in total and each packs have about 18 strands of braids. Now I'm just going to crochet the box braids to the back of my hair. This video isn't really a tutorial, so I'm not really going to go into details on how I crochet. If you guys would like to learn how to crochet your crochet braids into your hair, I should have a detailed video on my channel. You guys can go check that out. I'll have the link down below in the description box. I am going to apply a good amount of strands because I want the back to look full. So by the end of my installation, I ended up using 7 packs out of the 8 packs of hair. I know it sounds like a lot, but by the end of the video, it still felt as if I braided my own hair. There were areas in my hair that needed to be filled in, but I didn't fill them in until after I cornrowed the front. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the front. My first part is gonna be a diagonal part. I'm gonna make a part from one end to the other. Every now and then when I feel like my part isn't clean, I do add edge control. From here on out, I'm just going to part and feed in my cornrows all the way down to my end until it matches the end of the crochet braids. I'm going to do that for my entire head. So I'm going to fast forward this and let you guys watch to the end.
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately, I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page tonight? Can we stay? And why don't you talk to me, let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me, we don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. My love language is your love and affection. Won't you give some of it to me? Yeah, I need you present. Instead of giving me presents, you're not getting off that easily. Oh, when we get back on the same page tonight, we can stay. waste my time. I guess I started thinking right. Depressed when I'm low at night. I guess I got a screwed up life. I know I'm not thinking right. I know I'm not acting right, but I know I messed up a little bit. I think I'm used to this ish. I think I've had enough with it. I lost track of time. Yeah, running out of time. Right behind the line. I got many things stopping up my grind. I think I've had enough with it. Seem hazy, yeah.
It's complicated, so complicated, so complicated, and usually I would say I love it. Usually I would say you know, but it's hard.
This is my ending result. I did add some accessories to my hair. The back of my hair is also as full as I want it to be. And you guys, this hair did come up to 30 inches like I said. So it was down to my butt. This is probably the longest I've ever had my hair. I love the look, and if you guys do as well, go ahead and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out and hit that bell so you won't miss my next videos.